Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Plant Growth and Development. In that we are studying topic Abscisic Acid. Abscisic acid, stress hormone or the hormone that a plant produces when it is in lot of tension. Abscisic acid or ABA. Abscisic acid is slightly mild or you can say acidic in nature, and it has bad effects on plant growth, or you can say it has regulatory effects or inhibitory effects on plant growth. Now, why does a plant will produce a bad hormone? What is the need? Whenever the plant is under stress conditions could means shortage of water, there is no food available, then the temperature is too high. Under these conditions, plants produces abscisic acid or stress hormones. Now, what are the functions of abscisic acid? The functions of abscisic acid include dormancy of buds and seeds, inhibition of cambium activity, abscission, and control growth. Dormancy of buds and seeds. Whenever abscisic acid is produced, it inhibits dormancy or inhibits the bud formation. Inhibition of cambium activity. Cambium. Remember, cambium is a tissue that is present inside the stem, or which is responsible for the stem thickening. And whenever abscisic acid is produced, this inhibits that cambium activity. It stops the growth or thickening of the stem. Abscission. Abscisic acid plays a very vital role or important role during abscission. It keeps the abscission or the untimely falling of roots, stems, leaves in control. Abscisic acid along with that helps in control growth. For example, even if the plant lives for 100 years, the height of the plant will not grow up to certain extent. It will not grow beyond certain extent, and this is due to abscisic acid. Abscisic acid or ABA. Now, this is a stress hormone or a bad hormone, you can say. Abscisic acid is basically slightly acidic in nature. This hormone has inhibitory effects on the growth of the plants. They suppress the growth of the plant. They stop the formation of certain compounds. They are produced under adverse environmental conditions. Example could be high temperature, non-availability of water, non-availability of food. That is why they are termed as stress hormones. The functions of abscisic acid or ABA are dormancy of buds and seeds. As I've told that abscisic acid is a stress hormone. So basically it causes the seeds to become dormant, and when the seeds are dormant, obviously there will be no growth of the plant even if you add water, nutrients, soil inside the plant. They cause inhibition of cambium activity, and if there is inhibition of cambium, there will be no thickening of the stem region in the plant. Basically, the stem region will remain as it is. It will not elongate. Abscission. Now, abscisic acid stops abscission or untimely falling of leaves to a certain extent. They help to delay senescence of flowers, fruits, and leaves. Control growth. This is the hormone that is responsible to regulate the growth of a plant or keep in check the growth of a plant into certain extent. Obviously, you don't want a plant which is 1000 meters long. You want a plant which is at certain height, even if it survives for 100 years. Lastly, abscisic acid helps as an anti-transpiration compound. What is transpiration? Transpiration is loss of water from upper surface of the leaf. Whenever sun falls on the leaf, the stomata opens and there is loss of water. Now imagine if a plant is a desertic plant and if there is lot of sun present and transpiration is happening continuously. Don't you all think so that water will be lost to a higher extent and eventually the plant may die due to loss of water? Yes, but abscisic acid is an anti-transpirant. It helps to not evolve water. Basically, it acts as a layer through which there is less loss of water even if there is hard amount of sun present. Students, in this part of the chapter, we have studied how abscisic acid or ABA can prevent loss of water and it helps in other functions of plants. I hope you all are clear about abscisic acid. Thank you.